In this video, we will be reviewing the HSBC Premier Credit Card and see its perks and everything that's good or bad with it. So you can find it by going over to hsbc.com and you can find the HSBC Mastercard. So this is what it looks like and you can see some exclusive privileges for home and overseas options for this particular credit card. Now, as you can see, this particular premium option have this reward between 10,000 Philippine Airlines e-gift card or 10,000 Shangri-La at the Fort e-gift cards. So we have in here the reward system and in here you can see the benefits. As you can see, for every 20 pesos spent, you can earn 4 bonus points on overseas purchase and 3 bonus points on local shopping and dining transaction. You can access MasterCard airport experiences for over 1,300 airport lounges, and you can enjoy HSBC Premier Privileges, which is their unique program. It's good because they have contactless credit card with auto charging, 24/7 access to all your accounts, and enjoy fuel savings. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.